Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to initiate the 360 dewarping of a Fisheye 360 camera. What you'll need to do is navigate to your 360 Fisheye camera, right click on the camera, go to Camera Settings, navigate over to the Fisheye tab, initiate the Fisheye dewarping. From there, what you'll do is you'll align your camera down to match the camera's size. So you're going to want every part of that camera within your bubble. From there, you click Apply, you'll click OK, and then you'll see that this little dewarp icon comes up. This allows you to dewarp and to navigate the dewarp state of that frame. You can navigate or you can dewarp into 90, 180, or 360 degrees. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at PicoVMS.com for more documentation and downloads.